17-year-old Haley Bernstein was hospitalized for nearly 4 months after eating E. coli-tainted lettuce when she was 3. All these years later, she still takes 7 medications a day, is partially blind, learning impaired, and has diabetes.
The hardest thing, I think, is my deficit on my eyes. I never know what's to the right. I always gotta turn my head to look what's there.
The legislation that passed the Senate today,
the bill is amended, is passed,
aims to prevent the kind of contamination that sickened 1,800 Americans who consumed eggs this year and 1,400 who ate jalapenos last year.
Detect it earlier, stop it earlier.
The bill gives the FDA about $1.4 billion over 5 years to dramatically boost inspections of domestic and foreign food facilities, from 7,400 inspections a year now to 50,000 a year by 2015. For the first time, the FDA would have the power to recall contaminated foods.
There was a company during the recent peanut outbreak that refused to recall its food.
Today's 73-25 vote is a rare bipartisan success story. Democrats won GOP support by exempting small farmers from some requirements and by rejecting a $500 annual registration fee per food facility, a provision in a House bill that passed last year. Still, critics question where the $1.4 billion will come from.
We have the safest food in the world by many measurements, and it's continued to improve.
With just a few weeks left in this congressional session, the only way that this bill will become law is if the House accepts the slightly weaker Senate version without any changes. Katie?
Nancy Cordes on Capitol Hill tonight. Thank you, Nancy.